Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Instagram profile. It's super easy, so just stick with me till the end. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're in, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Next, under your profile picture, look for and tap Edit Profile. This will take you to a screen where you can update your name, bio, and other details. Scroll all the way down, and you'll see an option for music. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you'll see the Profile Songs section. Tap on Pick a Song for your profile, and a music library will pop up. You can either search for a specific song using the search bar or browse through the suggested options. You can search by song title, artist, or even genre. Once you've found the song you want, tap on it. Instagram will let you choose the exact part of the song you want to feature. Just drag the slider to pick the segment, then tap the check mark to save your choice. After that, tap the check mark again at the top right to confirm. And that's it. Go back to your profile, and you should see the song displayed right under your profile picture and bio. When someone visits your profile, they can tap the song to listen to the part you selected. And that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.